I can't stress to you enough the importance of organization and being disciplined about organization in working with ADHD, be it drug-free treatment or treatment with medication. One of the biggest pitfalls for people with ADHD is we have an incredible amount of trouble trying to keep our lives in order, things that seem so simple to other people, getting to the right places at the right times, remembering to pay the right bills at the right time. It's key for anybody looking to live drug-free with ADHD to keep a planner and keep it accurately and practice the discipline of keeping a planner. And then also having the redundancy of a second planner or a wall calendar at home. So not only do you have your appointment written down in the planner that travels with you, but you also have the appointment written down again on the wall calendar. So there's two places for you to take a reminder from that. One of the biggest tools I support in ADHD is the simple use of a pegboard. I personally have a rather large pegboard at home, and anything I need to keep out and open, free car wash coupons, gift certificates, bills that need to be paid, get stuck to the pegboard. And that way, if I do have piles of things for it to get shuffled into, the chance of it being shuffled is lessened by the fact that it's been placed on the pegboard and kept out in the open. And it's important for anybody to maintain as much organization as possible when living with ADHD.